If you can see me with all your hands up in the air, I want to loud you up. Okay, everyone. So, come on, everybody, make some noise.
हेलो आप सभी लोगों को वेलकम टू माय चैनल अगेन द ट्रिप डेल्स। मैं हूँ शोएब एंड आज हमारा एक नया व्लॉग है। आज का व्लॉग मेन इवेंट है व्रूम, जहाँ पे ड्रैग मीट होने वाला है। तो इट्स गोइंग टू बी फन, वीडियो में बने रहिएगा आगे। मेरा भी पहला टाइम है तो जाके देखते हैं कैसा होता है, क्या होता है। एंड प्लस रेसेस भी होंगे वहाँ पे, तो वो भी देखते हैं जाके। अभी अंदर जा रहे हैं, हमारे भी बहुत लेट हो गए थे हम लोग आज, तो देखते हैं how things are. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ ಗಾಡಿ?
ಪಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಓಕೆ,
ರೈಡ್ರಾ?
ಹಾಂ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಕಡೆ. So we are finally here, Vroom Drag Meet. अभी थोड़े बहुत कार्स सब देखे हमने। ओके, that was the esteem word. टाइगर खड़ी है, कवासाकी, ऑडी, दो ऑडी। These are the ultraviolet team electric bikes. That's the new ZMR. We will finally go down to the place where they are revving the engines. Let's go. These were the bikes. Kawasaki versus YZF 680.
parallel parking, and you're going to see it for the first time. Everyone, for Chris, Jesse, clap your hands, make some noise. Come on, put it up, put it up, put it up. Clap your hands, make some noise.
I want your hands up in the air. If you can see me, I want all your hands up in the air. I want a loud cheer for these boys here. We have Chris and Jesse from the Monster Energy Stunt Team.
You see one wheel stopping, you can see one. Okay, now we're back to the first celebrity.
तू भी सीख रहे हैं ब्राजील में छोटे छोटे बच्चे BMW उड़ाने करते रहे पकड़ा रहे परफेक्ट टाइमिंग
The Dream King of India is right here. Running his beautiful car right there.
Okay, everyone, so, come on, everybody, make some noise. Come on, clap it out.
Well, did you feel that roar? Did you feel that chaos?
Come on, everyone, we're going to start with 5. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, one more time, come on everybody. Let's do a countdown one more time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
And then it's Sanam.
This is a gift cake. This is a gift cake. Jesse, Chris, Sanam, get on the car. And the boys ready for the go. It's chaos. It's chaos. This man has also got a waiting around with him. It looks like the Polo will be able to catch up with the Zen. Remember, this is the speed stock, keeping it straight. But then the handling of the Polo has always been strong. But then Zen will have a little more punch towards the end. It'll be interesting to see how the timings come forward. Remember, the time to beat is 12.2. That will be beaten. The street stock coming forward.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the time attack experience that we see here. Every second counts with these vehicles who are running this quarter mile as soon as the light turns green.
Well, this particular car on the right was able to pick up so much speed out. She's got a good start already, a little bit of wheel spin on the front. She's able to keep it to the center. She's already put it out. She's blistering around. Little weaved onto the left, correction towards the middle part of it. He's able to put it down again. The Volkswagen will have a much better drive at the start. Oh, Mark is already off. What are you doing, buddy? Oh, he wanted to play a catch. Oh, it's already up to the third. It's already up to the fourth. But the time to beat is 12.243 again. Into the slides, into the corner again. What steady line? Keep it. Prashant Bhargav Ambati, who's on the car right now. Roll up your windows, buddy. It's the way it is on the ground. On the way to get it up there. He's already up to 7 seconds again. Little beans on the side. No matter what we party tonight. Here we go, folks. Here is around it. The Honda City. Pure bliss, pure power there. But the Isting's third gear, he's a maniac there. He's able to keep track again. Around the corner again. If you keep the car.
हमको VIP access मिला thanks to हमारे वाजिद भैया. So this is how it looks in the VIP corner. This is Vroom Drag Meet.
Paddock block. Called a paddock block.
This is called Paddock Block. So we are here. This gives you the complete view of the track. यहाँ देखो पूरे ZMR lined up है. Plus there you have the complete crew. There you have the other stand where you have the complete decision team. That's the complete crew there, and this is the track. Those were some crazy burnouts, bro. Those were some crazy burnouts. So that's a wrap, baby. हुआ हमारा Vroom Drag Meet. तो अभी loads of crazy clips I've got. So we'll be heading back home now. So this is how the situation is here at the moment.
End of day one.
End of day one, ready for day two. Yep, we are with day one of the Vroom Drag Meet. तो अभी मैंने मेरे दोस्त को ड्रॉप किया एंड आई एम हेडिंग बैक होम. बट कल भी जाने का प्लान है, तो कल डे 2 रहेगा. जैसे हमारे वाजिद भाई ने बोला कि टुमारो इज़ द एक्साइटिंग स्टफ, बिकॉज कल बहुत ज़्यादा सुपर बाइक्स, बहुत ज़्यादा सुपर कार्स, ज़्यादा इवेंट्स और ज़्यादा क्राउड. तो कल इम्पॉर्टेंट डे है. तो वी विल ट्राई टू सी कि कल थोड़ा जल्दी जाएंगे, बिकॉज कल हमको थोड़ा VIP ट्रीटमेंट भी मिल सकता है. एंड होपफुली कल और अच्छा हो दिन. तो लेट्स सी, कल मिलते हैं फिर हम हमारे ब्लॉग में. तो ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो डेफिनेटली एक लाइक ठोक देना, प्लस एंड शेयर करना अपने दोस्तों के साथ, प्लस subscribe करना. I mean, most of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed, so I would request you to subscribe to my channel. And that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video again. Hope you guys have a good day, and मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. So that's about it.